Lucas Underwood here with the Changing the Industry podcast, and I'm here to welcome you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back into the rundown. Tony, some great stats coming from our partners, especially Market Genie. Shout out Parham. One of the things that I saw recently from their social pages was there's been about a 2.5% decrease in sales, a 6% decrease in car count, but a 4.5% increase in ARO, which tracks to a lot of the different things we've been talking in the rundown over the last couple of weeks. Tell me about the search trend on the digital side of things and what's important.
Yeah, still down. We are coming out of that slump. It happens every single year this time. So I'm not surprised to see those two numbers down. When the tech has more time to spend with the car, we typically see repair averages go up. So that's perfectly in line with everything. So one of the hot topics that we've been talking about over here at Auto Shop Solutions is generative engine optimization, also known as GEO, which is a subvariant of SEO. There's a lot of acronyms for you, but essentially what GEO is, people are turning to things like ChatGPT or whatever their favorite AI model is and performing searches on there. So they'll ask, what's the best repair shop near me? So we're early stages of testing. We're looking at how to differentiate the content to really make sure we're driving those GEO results. Stay tuned for more updates. Speaking of customer interactions and trends, I saw that you guys are launching a scheduler with Shop-Ware.
We did a sneak peek of this at SEMA. My guy Darren Williams over there helping out with some of the Shop-Ware stuff did a little bit of an overview of it, but yeah, super excited. Shop-Ware releasing an online service scheduler integrated with your social, your website, and probably the coolest thing, especially talking about customer journeys, is embedded directly to your Google Places listing, essentially. So you never even have to visit the website if you're a consumer. I think that that's something that's coming up quite a bit on your side, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. We've been watching this trend unfold for the last couple of years at this point, and it's really creating that frictionless experience for your customers. The easier it is to do business with you as a shop owner, the more bookings you're going to get. And it's going to help all these numbers that we talked about in the beginning, right? So if you have Shop-Ware, please reach out and get that scheduler so we can get it coded into your site for you. That's it for this week's rundown. Thanks for joining us, and see you in 2 weeks.